Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley BDAYS. Today I've teamed up with Arabella Hair and they sent me over this beautiful skin melted flawless brown ombre lace wig. She includes the drawstring at the back and she also includes the pre-everything cap construction. So it's going to be pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. So when you receive your unit, you don't have to go to the sink and bleach knots or buy the product or worry about damaging the hair. You don't have to pluck the hairline if you're not a professional. You guys know how easy it is to make a bald spot or poke a hole in your lace. Even with the years of experience that I have, it's still such a comfort and a pleasure to receive a unit and just literally be able to put her on and go. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. She is a frontal, so you have your lace from ear to ear and you can part it really nicely on the sides as well. They even included this super fire product that I didn't even know that they had. It's a lace melting spray from Arabella Hair. I use this product to melt the wig down as like a topper, and it definitely gave me the most perfect flawless melt. We'll be doing some quick and easy wand curls on top just to give it that little splash. But look at how beautiful the curl pattern is and the ombre is. It's nice and beachy and fun. We did use a beach waver just to give a nice, not too serious, fun look. We'll even do a updo in here because you guys know that's my favorite style of the summer. And I could talk forever about this beautiful girl, but you guys know I gotta head out to dance. It's 2:50. We leave at 3:15. So if you want to see how we got the look, let's get started. So today I've teamed up with Arabella Hair and they sent me over a really cute wig with some color. This one here appears to be 24 inches in length. So this one came with the wig tape. I do not use wig tape. I just want to save my edges, but it's a great option. But for now, we can get directly right into the star of the show. Look at the color on this pretty beautiful girl. It starts off brown and it ends up brown, but it goes from like a chocolate warm like chestnut brown and it goes right into something that's a little bit more bright and golden. This is definitely fun, especially for the summer. I would even wear this like for the fall seasons with that nice warm color in there. This one here is a pre-everything wig. So we have pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. She is a frontal, so you definitely have that ear to ear space for parting and for hairline and for baby hair. You can see in there that nice pre-plucked hairline, so you don't have to do much customization. Really, you don't have to do any at all. You can also see the scallop cut in there, and that's perfect to camouflage the hairline and kind of help it to be a little bit more of a peekaboo where you really can't see it. When you flip her inside out, this is what she looks like. Absolutely beautiful. You have a nice free part space in there to kind of go in and free and part. Of course, you get the most parting down the middle, but you can still have some fun on the sides. This is a drawstring wig, so you'll be able to get a custom glueless fit with this here, and you also have a smaller comb in the back just in case you want to go in and add it. And then to match that, you do have two small combs at the front as well, so you can put everything in and go. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know today we're gonna be doing some baby hair, we're gonna be doing some dynamic duo, and we may be doing some like wand curls. So let me go ahead and fire up my hot tools so they're nice and hot by the time it's, you know, time to get into it. We might even use this baby here. So let's put her on and go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy is what it's giving. This is what she looks like on from the front. I love the length on this one. It says it's 24 inches in length, but because it has a curl, it gives like shrinkage. You can definitely silk press this one out if you want it to be straight. Here is a look at the hairline. As I mentioned, this is a frontal, so you get ear to ear parting space, and it's set as a bust down middle part. Of course, you can switch that up. So this is what she looks like from the back. I love the cut and the density and the color on this one. Definitely perfect for the summer. Not too heavy back here, so you know you don't have to worry about getting extra hot. So for the nape, you go ahead and flip it up and you'll be able to just take and grab the drawstring and pull it out. I like to give it a nice tug, grab on that drawstring and literally pull it as tight as I can get it. Lift and tuck it back in. And we are good to go. Now, of course, you can use the comb back there. I opted not to, but the first thing I noticed is as soon as I went ahead and added that drawstring or adjusted it, it made the hairline fit a lot more snug. I'm going to take and pull my wig cap back a little bit so it doesn't show. I'm also going to take some products and edge control and go ahead and tame my edges. You just want them to be nice and pushed back so that everything is neat and seamless. Okay, so when you pull it back, you'll see the hairline fits nice and flat and flush. All you got to do is melt the lace and you'll be good to go. You do have ear tabs here. You guys know me, I'm not a fan of ear tabs. Sometimes I'll leave them for like an event, but like if it's my birthday and I get my wig installed and I have the ear tabs down, by the time I get to the wig a few days later and I start like playing with them myself, I will most certainly cut these pieces off. I personally just feel like it's so much easier to maintain the wig without, but again, it's up to you. For me, the ear tabs go way down here, and I just feel like, especially when it's hot outside, they're easier to lift because I don't use a glue. And even with cutting those ear tabs, I'll still be able to make a baby hair should I choose, but typically I don't really like baby hair on the sides, aka sideburns, on an everyday basis, so we should be good to go. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and bond her down. I am completely out of my favorite, which is, oh, there might be a little bit left. Tempo, tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Don't slip on the drill, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the drill. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blow it up. I'm way too smooth. Yeah. I just caught a groove. Yeah. This right here that charge all the fire in the booth. Yeah, had to go right back to it. Yeah. If you ain't talking my money, please save your breath. Don't bring it up to me. Yeah, I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie. Yeah, hey, don't slip on the trip. No, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the. This is the look. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys already know, if you need a little bit of a quick hairstyle, I've been seeing the girls, the non-African American girls, even the black girls, go to prom this season, and they do like the little updos, and it's almost like an ununiformed, a little bit messy, I don't know what I'm doing, but I know exactly what I'm doing type of style, where it's like the stylists just have creative control. In reality, if I did my girl's hair for prom, you could literally, again, just do a quick 1-2 like this, and then just add those little diamond and pearl hairpins in there, and you are good to go prom. Just add the pins in there, right? And this is what it looks like from the back. It's not perfect. I'm pretty sure it's messy. It can be redone, but of course you just get the picture, right? 2-minute install style, good to go. Look at that curl. Look at the definition, and look at that ombre pout. Look at that beautiful definition. I love, love, love how gradient the ombre is. It's definitely giving professional and high quality, and yeah, we are good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Of course, I have the direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.